On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Attach.
A person who works at an embassy, usually having a specialized area of responsibility, a shallow and rectangular briefcase.
Examples:
A commercial attaché. Black attaché case. A prime minister talked with a military attaché of the country's embassy.
Glowing.
Highly enthusiastic, greatly praised.
Examples:
Glowing reviews. Glowing cheeks. The western sky was glowing pink.
Bloodstream.
The blood flowing through the body.
Examples:
Bloodstream in an artery. Bloodstream to the brain. Cancer cells are often carried throughout the body by the bloodstream.
Translucent.
Allowing light to pass through, but scattering it so that objects behind cannot be seen clearly, partially transparent.
Examples:
Translucent glass. Translucent skin. The sunlight shone through the translucent curtains, casting a warm glow in the room.
Flashlight.
A portable electric light with a handle and a switch that can be turned on and off.
Examples:
Flashlight beam. Flashlight batteries. He used a backup flashlight to find his way through the dark cave.
Oximeter.
A device that measures the oxygen saturation levels in a person's blood, typically attached to a fingertip or earlobe.
Examples:
Oximeter reading. Portable oximeter. The doctor used a digital oximeter to measure the patient's oxygen levels.
Inhale.
To breathe in air or a different substance, such as smoke.
Examples:
Inhale the smoke. Inhale the aroma. He inhaled deeply, trying to calm down.
Hemoglobin.
A protein-based molecule found in red blood cells that transports oxygen throughout the body.
Examples:
Hemoglobin level. Abnormal hemoglobin. The hemoglobin gene mutation can cause genetic disorders such as sickle cell disease.
Fingerprint.
A unique pattern of ridges and valleys on the surface of a finger that can be used to identify a person.
Examples:
Fingerprint at a crime scene. Fingerprint identification. The police used a fingerprint scanner to identify the suspect.
Industrious.
Hardworking, diligent, and persistent in effort.
Examples:
Industrious worker. Industrious student. He was known to be very industrious and would often work late into the night.
Microscopic.
Tiny, exceedingly precise and detail-oriented, of or used in microscopy.
Examples:
Microscopic inquiry. Microscopic analysis. Inspectors noticed microscopic cracks in the submarine's hull.
Reshape.
To change the form or structure of something.
Examples:
Reshape education policy. Reshape my thoughts. The advent of the Internet completely reshaped the manufacturing industry.
Resonate.
To be filled with a deep echoing sound.
Examples:
Deeply resonate with the consumers. Resonate in the same frequency. The sound resonates well in this theater.
Trapper.
A person who sets traps for wild animals, typically for their fur or for pest control. A person who is skilled in trapping or catching animals or in navigating difficult or dangerous terrain.
Examples:
Skilled trapper. Beaver trapper. The fur trapper spent months in the wilderness searching for the best furs to sell.
Siphon.
A tube or conduit used to transfer liquids, usually from a higher to a lower level, by means of atmospheric pressure, gravity, or vacuum, a device used to extract a liquid from a container.
Examples:
Siphon off political funds. Siphon jet. The siphon pipe in my aquarium helps to keep the water clean and clear by removing debris and waste.
Circumference.
The distance around the outside of a circular or curved object or area.
Examples:
Angle of circumference. Chest circumference. The circumference of the Earth is approximately 24,901 miles.
Pluck.
To pull or draw something, especially with sudden force or effort, to strip of feathers.
Examples:
Pluck a gray hair. Pluck out weeds. She plucked the flowers off the bush.
Vibrate.
To move or cause anything to move fast and in small increments from side to side.
Examples:
Vibrate at a regular frequency. Vibrate with anger. During the flight, the wings of the plane vibrate.
Overtone.
A subtle or implicit meaning or inference that is conveyed in addition to the primary or literal meaning of something. A musical tone that is produced in addition to the fundamental pitch of a note and which gives color and character to the sound.
Examples:
Overtone color. Emotional overtones. The singer's voice had a beautiful overtone, adding depth to the song.
Saliva.
The clear liquid that is secreted into the mouth by glands in the walls of the mouth and throat, helping to lubricate food during chewing and digestion.
Examples:
dog saliva, dry mouth with little saliva. The dentist asked him to spit out the excess saliva into the sink.
Autoimmune.
Relating to a condition in which the body's immune system attacks and destroys healthy body tissue, mistaking it for harmful foreign substances.
Examples:
insulin autoimmune syndrome, autoimmune disorder. The presence of certain substances triggered the autoimmune response.
Sift.
To put flour, sugar, etc. through a sieve equals a utensil consisting of a wire or plastic mesh in a frame to remove lumps or large particles.
Examples:
sift the candidates, sift sand. The search engine helps sift information.
Spit.
To eject saliva or other liquid from the mouth.
Examples:
spit a bullet, spit a mouthful of saliva. She tried to spit out the gum that she had been chewing.
Biomolecule.
A molecule produced by a living organism, typically composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and other elements, plays a vital role in various biological processes such as metabolism, energy production, and genetic information transfer.
Examples:
biomolecule structure, protein biomolecule. DNA is a complex biomolecule that contains the genetic information of an organism.
Trot.
To run or jog at a moderate pace, to walk with long, quick strides.
Examples:
trot across the street, trot off happily. She trotted to keep up with him.
Repurpose.
To use something again for a different purpose than it was originally intended.
Examples:
repurpose an old building, repurpose a used car. The old barn was repurposed into a modern event space.
Illuminate.
To light something or to make something lighter or brighter, to make something free from confusion or ambiguity.
Examples:
illuminate a dark hall, illuminate my understanding. That biologist illuminated the mechanism of heredity.
Astonish.
To surprise or shock someone greatly, to cause amazement or wonder.
Examples:
astonish audience, astonish the world. Her incredible singing voice astonished everyone in the room.